Bro, someone just lay the exact system prompts that Anthropic uses for cloud AI.
Wait, what? System prompts. What do you mean by that?
I mean everything. Cloud Code, Opus 4.5, SONET, the memory system, plan mode, web search, all of it is now on the GitHub repo for free.
Hold on. These are the prompts from a billion-dollar company?
Exactly. These are the exact instructions that control how cloud takes, how it plans, how it handles every single task.
But why should I care about some prompts?
Think of it like this. Imagine getting access to a Michelin star chef secret recipe book. See every step, every trick, and every technique. You can cook better meals. Same thing here. You can write better prompts, build better AI tools.
Oh, so it's like a free masterclass in prompt engineering.
From one of the best AI companies in the world. Yes. Look, I recently asked Cloud to debug some Python code. It nailed it like perfectly. Now I know why. The prompts guide it step by step first. Understand the error, then suggest fixes, then task them.
So they literally programmed it to think like a senior developer?
Exactly. And now you can study these patterns, see how they break big problems into small ones, and use the same technique yourself.
Okay, but practically, what can I actually do with these prompts?
Three things right now. Number one, copy the memory system for your own chatbots. Make your AI remember past conversations. Two, use their plain mode structure. Make AI outline your projects before it starts working. Three, study the web search prompts. Build better research tools that actually finds useful stuff.
Bro, this is actually insane.
Even if you're completely new to this, start simple. Pick one prompt, test it, experiment it.
Where do I get these prompts?
Come in Claude right now and I will send you the GitHub repo link with all the system prompts. Go study them, try them, build something new.